How to pass a mouth swab test in 9 easy steps with 2 parts. Part 1, preparing in advance, and Part 2, preparing before the test. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video when I publish them here at gunjaguides.com. How to pass a mouth swab test. Mouth swab tests are much easier to pass than a urine or blood test, since they usually can't detect drug use for more than a couple of days. However, the technology is recent and always changing, so it's best to take precautions. Most online advice is ineffective or even harmful, but there may be a few small ways to increase your odds. Part 1. Preparing in advance. Avoid drugs for 72 hours before the test. Avoid cough supplement medication that contains codeine. Being in the same room as marijuana smoke is unlikely to affect your saliva for longer than 30 to 45 minutes. Spending at least 72 hours drug-free is recommended to be on the safe side, especially if you are a heavy user. Swab your mouth. Wipe down the sides of your mouth with a cotton swab. This may remove some old oral fluids from earlier drug use. There's no real evidence for this, but hey, it may help. Try it out. You can keep up saliva production. In theory, new saliva will have lower concentrates of drug-related chemicals than old. Unfortunately, most of the chemicals get there from your bloodstream, which can't be flushed out the same way. Still, there's no harm in trying this for a few days before the test. Stay hydrated by sipping water frequently so you can produce more saliva. Chew gum to simulate saliva production when your mouth feels dry. Brush your teeth twice daily. Brush for several minutes and include your tongue and cheeks as well as your teeth. Rinse and spit at the end. This won't work any miracles, but it will ensure the old oral fluids aren't built up in your mouth. Part 2. Preparing just before the test. Suck sour candies. Something like a citrus candy is good. The more acidic your saliva, the more difficult it is to detect drugs. Multiple studies have shown lower drug test results right after people suck citrus candies. Believe it or not, some drug testers will give you a citrus candy to simulate your saliva flow before testing. You may need to suck several before going in to have a major effect. Chew gum or breath mints. Chewing gum or breath mints will change your oral fluids, which can make the mouth swab test less effective. Most people choose the cinnamon or strong mint flavors, but it's unclear which is best, so give it a try. Rinse with water. If this has any effect, it's small and short-lived, but it's also one of the easiest steps you can take. Consider rinsing with mouthwash. This might remove more drug-related molecules in water. However, alcohol-based mouthwashes can lead to a false positive for alcohol abuse. There are also mouthwash products advertised that people taking drug tests, but one study has found no reason they would be more effective than a normal mouthwash. Also been known to be quite effective is hydrogen peroxide. Don't swallow it, but use it as a mouthwash. It's really effective. You can even carry it in your car if you need it. Check it out. Worth the try. I'll have more details on that at gunjaguides.com. And please leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of videos you're looking for. Hit that subscribe button. And also, if you can hit the like button, we sure appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Smoke 'em if you got 'em.